What's up guys, I'm Hendrix back at Airsoft, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a homemade target for your airsoft gun during quarantine. And this is completely made out of homemade items such as boxes and paper. And yeah, let's get right into it. To start this off, you're going to need to grab 4 pieces of paper. If your box is a little bit bigger, then you might need 6 or 8. And if your box is a little bit smaller, you might need only 2 or 3. But basically, you're going to want to measure the top of your box and kind of get a rough estimate of how many pieces of paper you're going to need. And then, yeah, grab one. Next, you're going to want to lay out your pieces of paper like so. Now, if you feel the need to make it perfect, then make it perfect, but for me, I don't really care. I'm just going to be shooting at this, so that should be good enough. Now, you can grab your masking tape, or whatever tape you're using, and take a long strip and lay it down the middle. Now, you're going to repeat this 3 more times, putting one on the horizontally onto the paper, and then flipping it over, and doing the same for the back. Okay, now that this is fully taped, you're going to want to grab your bubble wrap and you're going to bring it over to your box. Then you're going to want to just place it in at random to try to fill up your box as much as possible. Now, like I said before, if you don't have bubble wrap on you, then just use some crumpled up pieces of paper or some newspaper, something like that. And the reason I'm putting this in here is 1, for a nice popping sound when you hit the target, and 2, it adds another layer of protection so that your BB just doesn't fly out the back. Okay, the next step is you take your fully taped up thing and you place it on top, and then once you have laid this down, you just tape down the sides. I'll see you guys when we get there. Okay guys, I have this fully taped up, and now it's time for the actual practice target. And now you're gonna wanna set your box to the side and take another piece of paper and really draw whatever type of target that you want. You can draw a face, you can draw a standard bullseye target, you can really draw whatever you want. And then here, I'm just gonna draw like a little squiggle with a dot, right? Let's just assume this is a really good drawing of the target that I'm gonna wanna use. So, then you're gonna take it and you're gonna place it on top of your actual target and take some more tape and just tape it down. And yeah, so I'll check in with you once I get that done. Okay guys, I have the target all taped down, and now it's ready to fire. Some other things that you can do is you can use balloons. All you have to do is blow up the balloon, and with some tape, just tape it onto there, and shoot it with your airsoft gun. You can actually pull off some pretty cool tricks with this, like having the balloon right over the bullseye, and then trying to shoot through the balloon and hitting the bullseye too. And yeah. But the really cool thing about this target is it's completely renewable. So once the front thing is just all shot up and you can't really use it anymore, then you just repeat the first steps. Just take another 4 pieces of paper, tape them together, and just lie them on top. Okay guys, I'm finished with the target, and let's go see how accurate I am. I'm out here with my gun, and I'm going to be testing how accurate I am at shooting this target from about 30 feet away. Pretty dang accurate. I was hitting pretty consistent groupings. I did hit one kind of off. And if you flip it around, you can see no BBs escaped, which means that every single BB is contained in here. And no mess. Okay guys, I'm at 50 feet. Let's see how accurate I am. Okay, as you can see, I'm hitting really consistent groupings around the bullseye. I am hitting a few ones that go a little bit off, but like as you can see, none have come even close to the back of it, which means that this thing is doing exactly what it's supposed to. All right, I'm gonna go back as far as I can in my yard, and I'm gonna see if I can continue this consistent groupings. Okay, guys, I'm at the very back fence of my yard, and I'm going to be seeing how accurate I can be. Okay, I was a little bit further back, so my groupings did spread out a little bit more, but still, I was hitting pretty consistent groupings around here. And still, no BBs have escaped to the back. Okay, let's try full auto. Okay guys, I'm on full auto now. Okay. I probably blew 50 shots into this thing, at least, and still, none have come out the back. And this thing is pretty shredded now, so I'm probably going to put just another piece of paper on there, but yeah. Okay guys, this is going to wrap up this video. I really hope you find it informational and useful. If you did, make sure you smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, and yeah, peace out.